Fikatahtolo I fe'auhi Miss Havelu Park. Edna onelua paia. Ta'ua noa mei Havelu loto. Ko e taleniti o e Miss Havelu Park I fe'auhi ko e ne whakatata faiva. My talent will be acting. I will be acting as a businesswoman that her husband died and then the company board decided to take over the company, which is Pepsi. It is my dream to become the actress someday. Ko e misia pe mo e whaamu ai Miss Havelu Park e ne hoko ko whine mui o ku faiva.
Koko tōna mini kihe taleniti hoko ai koe Miss Havelu Park, Miss Park.
Eki whine mui I whawhawha koe ni.
Onelua paia.
O ku atuuu ang fulu.
Ua noa bebe a mei Havelu ai koe ni taleniti.
Kone hauia pe me Havelu loto.
Faiva pe koe acting. Ai koe whakatariki ai ke ni.
O tonga ako computer I he Tonga Institute of Higher Education.
Ko ma hoko ene taleniti. Kihe kau whakamau pe me whawhawhalami.
It's showtime, folks. Because the actress has arrived.
Do you want a Pepsi?
Sharing the burdens and the joy.
And we want to give you ample time to repay the debt. Of course, we'll have to take the Fifth Avenue Park. You probably wouldn't want to stay there alone anyway.
What debt? I've got 100,000 shares of stock.
Your husband had to borrow against the stock to pay for the construction on your apartment.
And we loaned him a considerable sum in addition to meet expenses his salary didn't cover.
I think you're very clever, don't you? Trying to sweep the poor little widow under the carpet? Think again. I'm on the board of directors of this lousy company.
Well, we assumed that with your husband gone, you would no longer want to be on the board.
Alan and I helped build Pepsi to what it is today. I intend to stay with it.
We appreciate your devotion and contributions, Prophet, but we have retired you from the board of directors.
I got nothing. I got no one. Adore you. I want you so. And there's no one with nothing to give you but I love you.
If you're acting, you're wasting your time. If you're not, you're wasting mine.
I'm not acting.
Edna onelua paia Miss Havelu Park.
No contract.
Ai hono taleniti ai koe faiva acting pe koe kona peia ene taunua koia kihe kahahaa ke hoko koha pe whine faiva.
Think of what a mess I've made of mine.
Mari e uwita moki ne koha pe mai. Katata pe koe kahi acting koe ni te sia te mini maua e te fia koia. Ai kau mamata pe koe matanga.
I was born out to be a part of this great world as me, and my life. Guess I'll just have to score, count the things I'm grateful for in my life.
You drove Al Steele to his grave, and now you're trying to stab me in the back? Forget it! I fought worse monsters than you for years in Hollywood. I know how to win the hard way.
Miss Crawford, we don't want any hard feelings.
You don't know what hard feelings are. Till I come out publicly against your product, and you see how much you sell.
Please, Miss Crawford. It's hardly necessary to make threats you surely don't mean.
Don't with me, fellas!
My Life. Ja tietenkin hiva ko joku Shirley Bassey.
Let me live. This is my
Ja kun talenitieni on Miss Havelu Park.
This ain't my first time.
Edna on the luopaia.
You
Aia
forget
kun
the pressure
faiva
to live it.
acting.
Pepsi was my power. I can use it any way I want. It's a sword. Cuts both ways.
This is my
Taleniti Miss Havelu Park. Edna on the luopaia. Kakatoia.
Miss Havelu Park.
Fakahahaa kihe.
Wow. Miss Havelu Park. Honorable Salutilipapau. Tonight, I've seen many trends in some of our talents, but this one was unexpected. I hope that through live stream, Pepsi was watching that performance, and maybe we can get some endorsements. Hashtag Tonga loves Pepsi. Thanks to Miss Havelu Park.